now after passing our question to DeepSeek and getting the response, let's fine tune things a little and they will gonna help us test this application. So the first thing which we are going to do is, once we are going to click on this icon and this question is passed to DeepSeek, we are going to clear the text here. And to do that, inside this ask DeepSeek, we can get the value of our text field using this text editing controller .text, and we can assign it to a variable with name like input text. And after that we can pass this input text here. And after doing this, we can simply clear the value of this text field using this text editing controller. So this text editing controller .clear function will gonna remove the value which is present inside text field. And now after doing that, simply restart the application. And there let's type our simple query which will be like hello. And then click on the send icon, and there you can see as soon as I clicked here, the text here is removed. So this is an indication that our query is sent to DeepSeek model. And there you can see we also got the response here. So after making that improvement, the next thing is you can notice these characters after the response. So these characters does not make any sense. So these are actually the emojis which are returned by DeepSeek, but they are not properly decoded. So to display these emojis here, what you need to do is to decode response.body using UTF-8, because those emojis are using UTF-8 characters. So here what you can do is to use UTF-8.decode, and then inside it we can pass our body bytes of this response. So what you can do is to use this response and then access the body bytes. So this time we are getting the response body in the form of bytes, and firstly decoding it using UTF-8 and then converting it into JSON. So after doing that, let's simply restart our application. And then let's type our query which is like hello. And after that he will click on the send icon. And there you can see we got the response, hello, how can I assist you today? And then we got this emoji. So it means that now we are properly getting the response from DeepSeek and displaying it here. Similarly, inside this text field we can display some kind of hint to indicate that user need to write some text inside this text field. So what you can do is to set a decoration property for this text field and then pass this input decoration class, and here we will get this hint text, and then we can specify like right here, and then let's simply restart our application. And there you can see when our application is opened, we got this text right here. So this is a hint which we are displaying here. Similarly, we can make a lot of small adjustments and improvements inside this application. But as later we are going to build a professional chatbot application GUI, so we are going to apply those improvements there. But for now, we have built a very simple chatbot application in Flutter.